In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel transaction on Sendwave 2025 step by step. Let's start simple. Open your Sendwave app on your phone and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you used to send the transfer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. This is where you can see your recent activity and access support if something needs attention. To request a cancellation, look for the question mark icon, which represents help or support. It's usually found in the top corner of the screen or within the app's help section. Tap that icon to open your support options. From here, you'll see choices to chat or to call. Tap chat with us if you prefer messaging, or choose call us if you want to speak to someone directly. Either option works for canceling a transaction. Pick the one that's most convenient for you. When you're connected, clearly describe your request. You can type or say something like, "Hi, I'd like to cancel a transaction I just made. Here are the details." Then include the key information the support team needs to locate your transfer quickly: the transaction date, the amount you sent, the recipient's name, and the transaction reference number if you have it. The reference number is especially helpful, but don't worry if it's not available. Just provide as much detail as you can. After you've shared the details, submit your message in the chat or explain everything to the agent on the call. Now wait for a response. A representative may ask a few follow-up questions to verify your identity or confirm specifics about the transfer. Keep the app open and watch for notifications so you don't miss their reply. If you chose to call, stay on the line while they review your request. You also have the option to email the Sendwave support team with your transaction details if that's easier for you. Be sure to include the same key information so they can help you faster. A quick tip to keep in mind: timing matters. If the money has not yet been picked up or deposited, cancellation is more likely to be possible. If it has already been delivered, the support team will explain what can be done next and guide you through any available options. That's it. Open the app, go to help, choose chat or call, provide clear transaction details, submit your request, and wait for the confirmation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve your Sendwave transaction quickly and confidently.